Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to start a new tutorial series in which we will learn about Python and Python basics. The IDE we will be using is Visual Studio Code. So first we will set up and install Python on our machine. I have already installed Python 3.6 on my machine, but I want to update this to the latest version. So for that I will come to this browser and search for Python, and I'll click enter. Now it will take me to this pages. Will come to python.org and I will click on this download. Now you can see here that the latest version of Python is Python 3.9.5, so I'll download it. Now start downloading here, so it will take some time to download. Now it is downloaded, so I'll go to control panel and remove the previous version from my machine. Now here I will click on this programs, and now on this uninstall program, and now here I will search for Python. So it is right here, Python 3.6 0.7 64-bit. So I'll uninstall this. So I will also uninstall this Python launcher. Yes. So Python launcher is also uninstalled, so I'll close it down, and now I'll go to this and open it. Now I'll run this. Now it will install this Python in this C user MacMan app data local programs Python and Python 3.9. Now I'll click on this, and now it will start installing. Now Python is installed, so I'll close this, and now I'll minimize this, and now we will set the environment variable. So first I will go to check if Python installed. So I'll click on this folder, go to this PC and click on this C, and now and here we will select this user, and MacMan is our user. You can select your own user, then app data and locals, and here I will search for P. So packages, programs, and now here you have this Python, and you can see that we have Python 3.6 and Python 3.9. so we have already uninstalled this Python 3.6, so we will use this Python 3.9 in our path. So for that I will close this, and here, and now here I will search environment variables, and we will edit the system environment variables, and now I'll click on this path and I will edit. You will add, you can copy the path of this that folder, and you can add. I will edit it because I have already set it for the Python 3.6, so I will use only 3. And now I'll make this Python 3.9, and now I'll click OK, and now click OK to apply the new Python, and I'll click OK here as well. Now I'll go to CMD, and now I will verify Python. So Python -- version, and now if I click, you can see that Python is Python 3.9.5. now we verified this. Now we will set up this Python and Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an editor which is absolutely free, so you can go to your browser and open a tab and you can search here Visual Studio Code. Now I've already downloaded it and installed it. Now you will click on this download, and now you can download it for Windows by clicking on this, and you can install it by clicking next, 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 and next. Now I've already installed Visual Studio Code, so I'll close this browser and I'll come to this Visual Studio Code, and I will now set Python in this Visual Studio Code. So I'll come here to this setting icon. I'll click on this, and now I'll click on this command, and now here I will use Python select interpreter, this one. I'll select that, and now you can see that this path appears. So I'll click on this to set up the path. Now I'll maximize this Visual Studio Code, and now we will create a new file, Python file. So select language, and I will search here for Python. So you can select from different languages. So in this P section I'll search for, or I will search Python. So it is here, and now I will write something here, print, and now you can see IntelliSense is working, and I will hello to everyone from Visual Studio Code, and now I'll Control S, and I can save it in a folder, and I will name this first .py, and now click save. See here. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.